The claims of Bob Lazar. Are aliens and alien spacecraft known to our government? Are they being used to boost technology here on Earth? In 1989, a man by the name of Bob Lazar made these claims and broke the silence on the possibility that there is in fact life on other planets and alien technology that we may be unaware of in our society. Throughout history, there have been claims that the aliens and UFOs are real. Bob Lazar and his conspiracy theories are not only intriguing and mysterious, they also began the conversation of alien existence and launched a new era filled with close encounters, conspiracies, and UFOs. To begin, who is Bob Lazar? Bob Lazar is an American conspiracist who claims that he worked for the United States government as a physicist to reverse extraterrestrial technology at a secret site called S4 near Area 51. If this doesn't sound crazy enough, there were a couple claims Lazar brought to the world's attention that were quite intriguing, such as an element that was not discovered until 2013. Yet, he talks about it in 1989. Also, his precise details of the spacecraft he worked on. Let's get started on these claims, shall we? There are many elements in the periodic table. These include 118 to be exact. What is intriguing about this information is that in 1989, Bob Lazar actually blew the whistle on element 115, which is called Moscovium. Element 115 was not discovered until 2003 by a group of Russian and American scientists at the Joint Institute for Nuclear Research in Dubna, Russia. Lazar claims element 115 was used on these UFOs in some way to manipulate gravity in order for it to fly. This information in itself makes his story quite credible. How would he know of an element that was not released to the public until 2003? Furthermore, when one thinks of an alien spacecraft, the first thing that comes to mind is a disc-shaped hovering craft. Lazar's precise detail of the UFO is so detailed it is hard to throw his claims as fake news. What does this aircraft look like, you ask? Lazar recalls a reactor on the top of the ship flanked by 3 gravity emitters. When the spaceship is powered on, an anti-gravity wave is formed via the reactor, amplified, and then emitted from the bottom of the ship. The rotation of the cylinders on the bottom then allows the ship to move in any direction. If that isn't as precise and scientific as you can get, what is? To conclude this alien conspiracist, Bob Lazar was not only intriguing in his details of working on this UFO, he also brought light on an element known to our government way before it was founded in 2003. His claims are so interesting, he has the UFO community in an uproar. Many people who are skeptics are now thinking, what if aliens do exist? Without his claims, Area 51 would have very well not have been talked about or known at all. The idea that aliens exist would very well have no supporting evidence. Lazar gives hope to the UFO community that we are not alone. We have never been alone. His claims are so intriguing that a documentary was released on Netflix in 2018 titled Bob Lazar, Area 51 and Flying Saucers. If this has got you thinking about aliens and you're a junkie for alien conspiracies, this is the documentary for you. Bob Lazar truly started the rumor mill that we have all thought of at least once in our lives. That maybe there is a possibility that there are extraterrestrials in our galaxy, or maybe next door to us.